And a very good evening to all my viewers out there. It is right now Tuesday, February the 8th, 2022. It's 9:58 p.m., close to 10 p.m. And we're here at the Préfontaine Metro Station. And this is one of my favorite metro stations in terms of the architecture because of the natural light that gets into these windows, as you can see here. And there's also some on the ceiling. But tonight we're going to check out an elevator here. This is one of the newest elevators on the STM Metro network here in Montreal. Another one is at VO, which is a stop away, which I'll do another night. I've been planning to do this one for a while, but I put it off a bit. So we're gonna go check out this elevator now. Freshly constructed here on the green line. And a nice fresh accessibility button to use. Beautiful lighting. And one of the rare things is there's a new payphone here. Usually they take payphones away, usually they remove them. And they have an assistance booth here as well. It looks like on the roof they're still doing renovations. Interesting sound. So as usual, it's a gloss elevator.
Niveau M1, vers accès au métro.
And there's another one around the corner here. As soon as we get in. Which will take us down to our platform. In our case,
Niveau M1, vers ascenseur sortie ou correspondance en Grignon.
we're going to be going to the Angrion platform. Oh, there's two platforms here we could choose from. Let's see how this works.
Niveau M2, quai direction Honoré-Beaugrand. Nous montons.
Okay, so we're yeah, I guess we're going to be getting off here. And yeah, so there's two levels here, and that's going to go back up. And of course the other one that we were just on takes us outside. Hope you enjoyed that. More videos to come.